Holding tools and equipment. They securely hold materials in place, allowing for accurate cutting, drilling, or smoothing wood or metal. They include G-clamp, F-clamp, Sash clamp, Quick action vise, Bench vise. G-clamps. The G-clamp is named for its resemblance to the letter G. It consists of a fixed jaw and a screw mechanism that moves the other jaw to secure the workpiece. It is commonly used to hold wood or metal pieces in place during gluing, sawing, or drilling. It provides a strong grip but can only hold materials close to the edge of a workbench or table due to its limited throat depth. F-clamps. The F-clamp has a shape similar to the letter F and includes two parallel bars with a sliding arm that can be adjusted to accommodate various sizes of workpieces. It is ideal for clamping larger materials or when working on tasks that require the workpiece to be held securely over a greater area. Its adjustable design makes it versatile for different applications. Sash clamps. A sash clamp consists of a long, flat bar with adjustable jaws that can slide along the length of the bar. It is typically larger than other clamps. It is used mainly in woodworking for tasks like gluing up large panels or doors where a wide area needs to be held together. The long reach of the sash clamp allows it to hold wide pieces securely. Bench vices. A bench vise is a heavy-duty vise mounted to a workbench. It consists of a fixed jaw, a movable jaw, and a screw mechanism to tighten and hold the workpiece securely. It has a screw mechanism that you turn to move the jaws together or apart. It is commonly used in metalworking and woodworking to hold materials firmly in place while performing tasks like cutting, shaping, or drilling. It provides a strong, stable grip. Quick action vices. A quick action vise is a type of vise with a mechanism that allows the jaws to be rapidly opened and closed without the need to turn the handle repeatedly. It has a lever or a release mechanism that lets you slide the movable jaw quickly into position and then lock it in place by turning the handle or engaging the quick release mechanism. It is used to hold workpieces in place for operations such as filing, sawing, or drilling. The quick release feature saves time when adjusting the vise to different sizes of workpieces. Care and maintenance of vices and clamps. Regular cleaning by removing dust, dirt, metal shavings, and debris after each use. Lubrication. Apply light machine oil to screws, threads, and moving parts to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Inspection. Regularly check for wear, damage, or misalignment in the tools. Replacement of worn or damaged parts such as jaws, screws, pads, or fasteners as needed. Tightening to ensure all screws, bolts, and fasteners are tight to maintain stability and functionality. Proper storage in a dry, clean environment to prevent rust and corrosion. Ensure clamps and vices are properly adjusted for even and secure holding of materials. Do not over-tighten or overload clamps and vices, as this can damage the tools and reduce their effectiveness. 9. Use rust inhibitors or store in a controlled environment to minimize exposure to moisture.